The Toyota Crown is one of the most iconic and enduring vehicles in Toyota's long and storied history. First introduced in 1955, the Crown has consistently been a symbol of sophistication, reliability, and innovation within Toyota's lineup. With its most recent iterations, including the 16th generation launched globally, the Crown has undergone a remarkable transformation, shedding its conventional sedan-only identity and emerging as a versatile family of models including a crossover, a sport-type SUV, a traditional sedan, and an estate-style vehicle. Each of these reflects Toyota's vision for the future, blending luxury, performance, and sustainability. At the heart of the latest Toyota Crown lies a refined approach to powertrain technology. The vehicle is available with multiple hybrid systems, catering to varying needs of performance and efficiency. The flagship model often comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 hybrid system paired with a rear e-axle, offering a combined output of over 340 horsepower. This setup is known as the Hybrid Max, which prioritizes dynamic driving, smoother acceleration, and enhanced torque distribution through Toyota's advanced E4 all-wheel drive. Other models utilize the tried-and-true 2.5-liter hybrid system that balances fuel economy with sufficient performance, making it ideal for daily commuting and long-distance cruising. Aesthetically, the Toyota Crown breaks from tradition with a daring fastback silhouette that combines the elements of a sedan and an SUV. This crossover-like stance raises the driving position slightly, giving better road visibility without compromising the elegance of a premium sedan. LED lighting systems, sharp body lines, and two-tone color options give the vehicle a modern and assertive presence on the road. The body architecture is based on the Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGAK), which provides increased rigidity, better handling, and improved safety dynamics. Inside, the Toyota Crown's cabin is a showcase of luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. The materials used throughout the interior are top-tier, with options for genuine leather upholstery, soft-touch materials, and wood grain or metallic accents. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, with power adjustments and memory functions. Rear passengers are treated to ample legroom, thanks to the optimized cabin layout, and higher-end trims even offer rear seat heating and sunshades for enhanced comfort. The dashboard is dominated by a large 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that integrates Toyota's latest multimedia platform. This system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice recognition with natural language processing, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air updates. It's paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that displays vital driving information with customizable layouts. The climate control system is intelligently managed through a touch-based interface, and an optional panoramic sunroof adds to the open-air ambiance inside. The Crown also takes pride in offering a superior audio experience. Select models feature a JBL premium sound system with 11 or more speakers, strategically placed for rich and immersive audio. Sound insulation has been significantly improved compared to previous generations, utilizing acoustic glass and strategically placed dampening materials to minimize road and wind noise. Safety has always been paramount in Toyota's design philosophy, and the Crown exemplifies this with the inclusion of Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, road sign assist, and automatic high beams. In addition to active safety features, the vehicle also boasts a robust passive safety structure with 8 airbags, advanced seatbelt systems, and high-strength steel reinforcements throughout the chassis. On the technology front, the Toyota Crown incorporates features that enhance convenience and connected driving. These include a digital key system that allows smartphone-based locking and starting, a head-up display that projects essential driving data onto the windshield, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. The car can even be equipped with remote software diagnostics and Toyota's "Hey Toyota" voice assistant, which responds to voice commands to adjust settings, find destinations, or control media. Driving dynamics in the Toyota Crown are finely tuned to match the character of each variant. The sportier models have adaptive variable suspension, allowing for real-time adjustments to damping based on road conditions and driving style. Electric power steering is calibrated for precision, and the regenerative braking system provides a smooth deceleration feel while recovering energy to recharge the battery. Thanks to the TNGA platform and hybrid technology, the ride quality remains plush, yet stable and composed even on winding roads. Another key component of the Crown's appeal is its fuel efficiency. The standard hybrid variants can easily return fuel economy figures above 40 miles per gallon, depending on driving conditions, making it a smart choice for environmentally conscious drivers without sacrificing comfort or luxury. For those looking for a blend of power and efficiency, the Hybrid Max option offers impressive performance with respectable efficiency due to the intelligent energy management system. Practicality is also not ignored in the Toyota Crown. The trunk space is generous, especially for a vehicle with such a sleek roofline, and split-folding rear seats expand cargo carrying flexibility. Smart storage solutions throughout the cabin, like deep cup holders, console bins, and door pockets, ensure that daily items are easily accessible. Overall, the Toyota Crown marks a bold step forward for a nameplate that has long stood for quality and reliability. With its expanded lineup, luxurious appointments, advanced safety and technology features, and eco-conscious powertrains, it redefines what a premium car from Toyota can be. Whether chosen for its performance, style, comfort, or innovation, the Toyota Crown remains a flagship not only in name but in experience.